wet and windy morning, and I'm off for my morning walk in honour of my dad for the Alzheimer Society. So I'm not just doing this for Alzheimer's, I'm doing it because I care and I want people to understand that we all have to go through something like this every now and again. And I just want you to join me on my walk and enjoy this beautiful weather. Isn't it glorious? The wind blowing through all of that gunk in the morning, letting it all go and enjoying a beautiful walk as I emerge to the valerian on the wall into the lanes of my beautiful village. So blessed to be doing this every day in honour of you, Dad, as I loved you so much and I still do, and in honour of everybody who is going through something, or going through illness, helping someone with illness. So this is for you, and this is for me. Have a good day, lovely people.